98 Futebol Clube.
98 Raja Casablanca.
Peguei o avião, fui para o Marrocos, me ferrei e pro Raja eu perdi. E com o Bayern eu achei que ia jogar, me enganei, me ferrei, eu perdi.
Passe ali pela meiuca, chegou, pode bater, bateu, e é gol!
Raja Casablanca.
Do Raja!
Vendi a moto até veio o DVD, me ferrei, toda vendo eu sei. Ai, pela Raja eu não quero mais passar, eu chorei, me ferrei, eu perdi.
Vai bater o pênalti o time do Raja Casablanca. Atenção, vai bater o jogador do Raja, bateu, é gol!
Raja Casablanca.
O Mundial foi uma humilhação, me ferrei e pro Raja eu perdi. E eu passei mais tempo no avião, mas voei que torci, me ferrei, eu perdi.
Atenção, o time do Raja vai tentando. Dois jogadores, ataque perigoso do Raja, pode bater na trave, é gol! Gol do
Raja
Raja!
Casablanca. 98
sometimes like it's not right. People out there with no food at night, and we say we care but we don't, so we all lie. What if there's more to this, and one day we become what we do, not what we say. We end up in all the shit that they're in, and roles are reversed and it was different. And we were the ones with nothing to eat, we were the ones with blood in our street, we were the ones with only our screens, and they were the ones just watching on TV. We were the ones broke down and torn, with our life in our back and our wife in our arms, and they were the ones like, damn, that's so sad. And we were the ones like, nothing ever changes. It's the only thing I know, that nothing ever changes. I'm looking down this road and nothing ever changes. No, no, nothing ever changes.
Suas intenções, abra sua cabeça, abra seus corações, transformar algumas centenas em milhões, pois todos unidos somos então nações. Bem, se eles tiveram um sonho e eu também, imagino fazer sempre o melhor pra alguém. Tipo, nessa vida não se descontrolar, dormir à noite com assassino, é melhor não se revoltar. Agora trouxa, olhe pros seus pesadelos, e ainda são seus piores medos. Há mestiços, brancos e negros, gringos e negros. Hoje aqui você é obrigado a botar suas chances no Brasil de alguém te conquistar. De alguém te conquistar.
Nothing ever changes. At least that's how we act, like nothing ever changes. Like God has got our backs, like nothing ever changes. Looking down this road, and I can see this pain. It's only gonna grow. shoes on our feet. Maybe we need more clothes and TVs. Maybe we need more cash and jewelry. Or maybe we don't know what we need. Maybe we need to wanna fix it. Maybe stop talking, maybe start listening. Maybe we need to look at this world less like a square and more like a circle. Maybe, just maybe, God's not unfair. Maybe we're all his kids and he's up there. Maybe he loves us for all our races. Maybe he hates us, we're all so racist. Maybe he sees us when we don't care. And it's heaven right here, but it's hell over there. And maybe the meek will inherit this earth, 'cause it was written before so everything changes and nothing stays the same. No, everything changes. And if you feel ashamed, maybe you should change this before it gets too late. Maybe you should change this. My brother, we're standing at the gate. Oh, everything changes, changes, changes. Maybe you should change it, change it, change it. Everything changes, changes, changes.
to us to